In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Terra mattress affiliate program. So Terra is a very specialized, high quality mattress company that makes environmentally friendly mattresses. And so I'm going to tell you how much money you can make if you sign up to be an affiliate for them and if you promote their mattresses to your audience. Now you want to watch this video all the way to the end because I think there's a much better category of products that you can become an affiliate for that will make you way more money than promoting mattresses. It's what I've done, and towards the end of the video I'm going to show you actual proof of how few views I got on really simple videos on the channel that you're watching right now, and it still makes me a surprising amount of money every single month. So I'm going to show you the actual videos themselves that are getting me this income, and I'm also going to show you how much money I actually made from one simple affiliate program. Now let's look at how much money you can make with the Terra affiliate program. So on their website you can see they're actually partnered with a company called Sale. That's a affiliate network that you can join. And so with every mattress you will earn a 10% commission that is paid 90 days after the delivery of the mattress is complete. So you can definitely make a lot of money with the Terra affiliate program. Now the really cool thing about mattress affiliate programs is that you can actually make a crazy amount of money with it. So if you look at this little channel right here, it only has, 73,000 subscribers, 488 videos. Now 73,000 subscribers might sound like a lot to you, but on social media and on YouTube, this is nothing crazy considering that they've been around for 5 years. Now if you actually check how many views this channel gets per month, we can do that here on Social Blade. Type in the name. We can see they're pulling in about 65,000 views a month, which again isn't necessarily a lot. Obviously, we all know about YouTube channels that are pulling in millions of views a month. Now, I feel like most people, you probably don't think you can actually make money from this unless you're like a huge influencer like Mr. Beast with like hundreds of millions of followers and subscribers, or you have to have super viral videos that get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to make real money from this. But is that really true?
Hell no! No!
So you might not be impressed with 65,000 unless you do a little bit of math, which I'm going to show you right here. So if we look right here, if they're getting 65,000 views in a month, right? And these are highly targeted views. These are people that are actually searching for different mattresses. They're reviewing different mattresses and they're including their affiliate links. So if you click on this link, for example, here, you can see they're reviewing this mattress called the Wink Bed Plus. And so they've got their affiliate link right here. And so if they're only getting 65,000 views, and let's say less than 1%, let's say 0.5% of people. So, times 0.005. If only 0.5% of people that watch the video actually end up making a purchase every single month, that's 325 sales that they're generating as an affiliate. And if we take an average, as we took the average order value before of $1,600, if they get a 10% commission, that's $160 per mattress. So we multiply this by 160, that's $52,000 a month that they could be making in commissions, and likely a lot more since they're a dedicated mattress channel. So they're probably getting a pretty high conversion rate, and they're probably also getting a higher commission rate. So you can make more than a full-time income as an affiliate for mattress programs, but there's better ways to make money. So let's talk about that. I actually used a really unique strategy to set myself up with recurring commissions without creating any viral videos or even showing my face. So let me show you some actual proof so you can better understand what I mean. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut, posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.